Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am David.
And I am Alice. We are super happy to have you here with us today.
Yes, today we have an amazing and very important lesson for you. We are going to learn how to meet new people in English.
Meeting new people can feel a little scary, right? Sometimes your heart beats fast, your hands get sweaty, and you forget every English word you know.
That happens to everyone, Alice. I remember my first time trying to speak a new language. I was so nervous, I said goodbye instead of hello.
Oh no, that is funny. But do not worry, my friends. Today, David and I will guide you step by step. You will see that meeting new people is easy, fun, and simple.
Before we begin, if you want to practice your English with us every single week, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.
And do not forget to hit the like button. It helps other English learners find our videos.
Perfect. Now get comfortable, relax, take a deep breath, and let us start. Alice, let us start at the very beginning. When you see someone for the first time, what is the first thing you say?
The first thing is a friendly greeting, a smile on your face, and a clear word.
What are the most common ways to say hello?
For beginners, keep it simple. You can say, hello, hi, hey there.
Excellent. Hello works in every situation, formal or casual. Hi is casual and friendly.
What about different times of the day, David?
Great question. In the morning, you say, good morning. In the afternoon, you say, good afternoon. In the evening, you say, good evening.
Remember, friends, do not say good night when you meet someone in the evening. Good night means goodbye before going to sleep.
Yes, that is a very common mistake. If you meet a friend at 7 p.m. at a restaurant, say good evening, not good night.
Let us practice these greetings slowly. Repeat after me.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening. Now that we said hello, we need to introduce ourselves. David, how do you ask for someone's name?
The standard question is, what is your name?
Or, in natural spoken English, we shrink what is to what's. So it sounds like, what's your name?
Yes, let us hear the two ways to answer. My name is David. I am David.
Both are totally correct. Let us try a short dialogue.
Hello, my name is David. What is your name?
Hi, David. I am Alice.
Nice to meet you, Alice.
Nice to meet you too, David.
Look at that key phrase, nice to meet you.
And the response is, nice to meet you too.
Notice the word to at the end. It means also. I am happy to meet you too.
Let us repeat that slowly. Repeat after David and me.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What if you did not hear the person's name clearly? Maybe the music is loud or they spoke too fast.
Ah, that happens all the time. You can politely say, pardon? Or, sorry, could you repeat your name?
Or you can ask, how do you spell your name?
That is a great trick. If someone has a unique name, asking them to spell it gives you time to listen and understand.
Let us practice spelling. Alice, how do you spell your name?
A-L-I-C-E. Alice. How do you spell your name, David?
D-A-V-I-D. David.
David. After exchanging names, people usually ask how the other person is doing.
Yes, the question everybody knows is, how are you?
But in real life, native speakers also say, how are you doing? How are things? How is it going?
Exactly. And in school, textbooks always teach you to answer, I am fine, thank you. And you?
Yes, every beginner says that. But it sounds a little bit like a robot, doesn't it? I am fine. Systems operational.
Exactly. Real people use warmer phrases. Here are 3 simple and natural answers you can use instead. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? I'm great, thanks. How are you? Not bad. How are you doing?
Let us repeat those together slowly so our listeners can practice.
Option 1. I am doing well, thank you. How about you?
I am doing well, thank you. How about you?
Option 2. I am great, thanks. How are you?
I am great, thanks. How are you?
Option 3. Not bad. How are you doing?
Not bad. How are you doing? Practice using these new options. They will instantly make your English sound more natural and friendly.
Now let us move to one of my favorite questions when meeting people, finding out where they come from.
Yes, people love talking about their hometowns and countries.
The main question is, where are you from?
You can also ask, where do you come from?
To answer, you simply use the structure, I am from, country, city.
Let us practice with some real examples.
Alice, where are you from?
I am from London in the United Kingdom. What about you, David? Where are you from?
I am from Toronto, Canada.
Wow, Canada. Is it cold in Canada right now?
Oh yes, very cold and snowy.
See how easy it is to continue the conversation? Once someone tells you their country, you can comment on it.
Here are some polite comments you can say when someone tells you where they are from. Oh, I have always wanted to visit. That is wonderful. I hear it is a beautiful country. Is it your first time visiting here?
Let us repeat those follow-up sentences slowly.
I have always wanted to visit.
I have always wanted to visit.
I hear it is a beautiful country.
I hear it is a beautiful country. Okay, David, we know each other's names, how we are feeling, and where we are from. What is the next logical step in a conversation?
Usually, we ask about what people do every day, their job or their studies.
The most common question for this is, what do you do?
Beginners sometimes get confused by this question. They think it means, what are you doing right now at this moment?
But it actually means, what is your job or what is your profession?
That is right. If you are a student, you can say, I am a student. I study business.
If you work in an office, I work in an office, or I am an accountant.
If you work with technology, I am an engineer, or I work in IT.
If you take care of your home and family, I am a homemaker.
Let us practice the full pattern.
David, what do you do?
I am a teacher and video creator. What do you do, Alice?
I am an English instructor.
That is awesome. How long have you been doing that?
I have been teaching for 5 years.
Notice how simple that question was. How long have you been doing that? It keeps the conversation flowing.
Talking about work is great, but talking about hobbies is even more exciting.
I agree. To ask about hobbies, you can say, what do you like to do in your free time? What are your hobbies? What do you do for fun?
To answer, simply say, I like to, or I love, followed by an action word, verb.
Let's give some daily life examples. I like to cook. I like to read books. I love watching movies. I like to play football. I enjoy listening to music.
David, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love playing guitar and playing video games. What about you, Alice?
I love baking cakes and going for long walks in nature.
Baking cakes? Yum! Do you bring cakes to the studio?
Only if you are nice to me, David.
I will be on my best behavior then.
Let us repeat the hobby phrases for our listeners.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books.
What do you do for fun?
I love cooking and listening to music.
Alice, let us take a moment to talk about simple mistakes that beginners make. Making mistakes is totally okay. It is how we learn.
Absolutely. Every native speaker makes mistakes in foreign languages too. Let us look at 3 common ones. Mistake 1. Age.
Many learners say, I have 25 years, because in their native language, they use the verb have for age.
But in English, we use the verb to be for age. You should say, I am 25 years old, or simply, I am 25.
Exactly. Never say, I have 25 years, unless you are keeping 25 years in a box somewhere. Mistake 2. Agreeing.
Another common slip is saying, I am agree with you.
Yes, agree is already a verb in English. You don't need am. Just say, I agree with you. Mistake 3. Saying goodbye.
And lastly, saying, see you yesterday instead of see you tomorrow.
Time travel is hard. Yesterday is in the past, so always say, see you tomorrow, or see you later.
Now, let us put all these modules together into 4 full real-life role plays. Listen closely to how everything connects. Scenario 1. At a bus stop.
Excuse me, hi. Is this the bus stop for line 5?
Hi, yes it is. The bus should be here in 5 minutes.
Oh, great. Thank you. By the way, I am David.
Nice to meet you, David. I am Alice.
Nice to meet you too. Are you going to the city center?
Yes, I am going to work.
What do you do?
I work at a bank. How about you?
I am a student at the university.
Oh, cool. What do you study?
I study graphic design.
That sounds creative. Ah, look, here comes the bus.
Great. Have a nice day at work, Alice.
Thank you. You too, David. Bye. Scenario 2. At a coffee shop. Hello, is anyone using this chair?
Hi. No, go ahead. You can take it.
Thanks. Wow, it is really busy here today.
Yes, it always is on Saturday mornings. Do you come here often?
First time. I was looking for a good place to drink tea and read a book.
They have the best tea in town. I am David, by the way.
I am Alice. Nice to meet you, David.
Nice to meet you, Alice. What book are you reading?
It is a mystery novel. I love reading in my free time.
That sounds interesting. Enjoy your book and your tea.
Thanks a lot. Have a great weekend. Scenario 3. At a new job/office.
Good morning. You must be the new team member.
Good morning. Yes, I am. My name is Alice.
Welcome to the company, Alice. I am David. I work in the marketing department.
It is very nice to meet you, David. Everyone has been so welcoming.
That is great to hear. Where did you work before this?
I worked at a small publishing company in London.
London, beautiful city. How are you finding the new office so far?
It is big, but people are very friendly.
If you need any help or have questions about the coffee machine, just let me know.
The coffee machine is definitely important. Thanks, David.
Now, let us do a quick drill to make sure you remember the most essential sentence patterns from today.
We will say each sentence twice. Listen the first time and speak out loud the second time.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Hello, nice to meet you.
2. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
3. I am doing well, thank you.
I am doing well, thank you.
4. What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
5. I like to read and cook.
I like to read and cook.
6. Have a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day.
You all did an incredible job practicing with us today.
Yes, learning a language takes time and patience. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goals.
Don't forget our final challenge. We want to practice with you right now in the comments.
Leave a comment below answering these 3 simple questions. What is your name? Where are you from? What is your favorite hobby?
For example, hi, my name is Maria. I am from Mexico and I love listening to music.
We read your comments and reply to as many as we can.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. If you enjoyed this lesson, share it with a friend who is also learning English.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and we will see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Take care.